Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I am going to code a program in which a user will enter a number and the program will tell that either it's an even number or an odd number. So going towards the program, I am taking an integer and printing a message to the user that enter a number. So now he will enter cin, means console in, or input in variable a, which will be stored in the RAM. A space will be made in the variable for the variable a. So now we will check that whether the number is even or odd. So for that we will apply the condition that if a modulus is basically the remainder. So if a divided by 2, for even we are checking this, is not equal to is equal to 0, if the number divides by 2 and its remainder is 0, then it means it's an even number. So cout is even. If the number inputted by the user divides, means its remainder, if it is divided by 3 is equal to 0, then it means the number is odd. So cout is odd and terminate. So this is the program. So then now we will compile it by pressing F11. So it's compiled successfully. Enter a number. You can see here I am going to enter 8 is even, so it's mixing up. So I am going to use here cout end line, so then it won't mix up. F11. So now I'm going to press 80 for instance. So now it's showing me that 80 is even. If I run it again and I press and I give for instance 9, then it will show me that 9 is odd. So this was all for even and odd. Thank you for watching my video, and give your feedbacks so that I could improve my videos and share it with your colleagues and friends, that they could get also the benefit. Thank you for watching.